Bethany, welcome back to my channel. Today is, what is today? I don't know, Monday, like March 17th, something like that, around 9:30 at night. And before I went to bed, I really have been dying to open up the SterlingInk May subscription box, and it's the bigger one. I'm not sure what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. This is how big it doesn't even fit in the frame really, but we're going to open it together and see what's in here. This is I don't know, the deluxe box, I think. All I know is I use literally every sticker that comes. So if you give me the option to get a bigger package, yes, please. Where do I sign up? These are absolutely, oh, wow, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to spill my soda on it. I try to save these because look how cute. I'm going to have to zoom you in a little bit, I think. But I don't think I saved it very well. Let's see. Oh, is there vellum in here? What? Hold on, let me zoom you in. Okay, so let's dive into, I guess, this is like the extras because I see papers and stuff, which I've never seen before in the SterlingInk sub boxes. So maybe that's the difference. To be quite honest, I don't know. She just said deluxe and I said, yes, please. Where do I sign up? Seriously, it was literally that quick. That's just backing. What is this? Okay, so you have your May 2023 vellum. This is gorgeous. I will put that in my B6. It looks like a B6 size. And these are look how pretty these are. Monday through Sunday, days of the week with the beautiful little flowers in the matte transparent. I love that. These are all of the days for May. Date May 1 B. I don't know. I think this goes into B6. I'm gonna have to check that out. And these are your vellums. Oh wow. And this one. Can you see this? Maybe if I put it against, yeah, you can see it against the desk. Wow, that's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. That is beautiful. I am thoroughly loving my Hobonichi cousin. It's so much like the Annie Plans, but in Estelle, but there's something different about it. So anyway, I've only had it for a week or so, but I am loving it. Okay, so those are the extra papers. I think it's, so what is it, making an extra $15–20, something like that. It's quite a lot for that, but I'm going to keep doing the deluxe for a little while. I would imagine there's probably things in here also that are extra. Maybe not. These are the little freebies that come with it always, each month. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this. So there's the bicycle. This is the freebie. This is, oh, these are May tabs. These must have something to do with the extra deluxe box. Your May, and then these come every single month on a different, I'm going to put that in my Estelle in the front since I put them all in there. And then you get another May. Let's move this out of the way. So you get another May. Are these the same? Different font. And here are your stickers. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. Hold on. I need some space. Hold on. Okay. So we've got that one. This is foiled. Look how beautiful this is. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is also foiled, and these are long sort of washi pieces. Comes with date numbers on transparent. This is the font. It's kind of like a very simple font. I like it a lot. Focus, please. Another small floral arrangement. Look at this. Look at this. That is gorgeous. And then there's these kind of like picture frames. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, and the stamps. Stamps. Look at these stamps. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Look how beautiful. Why is everything sticking? Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then these are kind of like watercolory or ink. Not ink, but kind of like they look vintagey and old. Those are beautiful. Look at this. Oh, it's so windy outside right now. Everything's blowing around. Look at this. This is going to be so beautiful. I can't decide where I want to use it next. There's these. These are different shapes or something. What are these? I don't know. These are little tiny washies. And what is that? Longer thin washies. Okay. I'll use it. And then these are foiled. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. This one. Oh, these designs are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's everything that was in the box. That is a lot. That is a lot more than the other kits came with. So it's definitely worth it if you like it, if you know you like it, and you are always wanting more of the stickers, because I find myself every single month so far, and I've gotten it since January, I have used 100% of the stickers. Quick little recap right here. I'll show you. The first, I used them in the months. First of all, I put them all right here in the beginning of my planner here. So I'll put the May one in here. But I also put them in here for the months, which is like right here. This is a SterlingInk one. I think that was the first month I got it. It was in January. And then this one, February, I don't remember. But I didn't have one for March. And then I used this one for April. I mean, they're just so incredibly beautiful. Do I have a spread? I do. Like here, these ones here, these are all Simply Gilded. This is a foiled Simply Gilded. I'm sorry. SterlingInk. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So I will use that for next week in my planner. I am super excited to see what that looks like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate all your time and energy, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.